Our recipe for today is a simple usual breakfast. It's Veggie Longganisa. Longganisa or flavored sausage is one of the Filipino staple breakfast. Today, we will make a healthy version of this dish. For this recipe, we will use this veggie burger beef flavored. This is made from all plant-based ingredients. We will use the remaining half of this from our shawmai recipe. To those who missed the video, I will put that in the description box so that you could go back and add that from your veggie menu. This is how it looks like when we open the can. Now, let's move on to our ingredients. 200 grams veggie burger, 1 half finely chopped onions, 2 cloves finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped spring onions, 1 teaspoon 5-spice powder, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I also added diced homemade veggie meat so that we can have the fat-like texture on our longganisa. The next step is just basically combining all the ingredients. Mix them well, and then we will prepare the plastic or cling wrap where we will roll our veggie longganisa. Now, put 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mixture in the plastic, but that still depends on how big or short you want for your skinless longganisa. Roll them and make it compact. Mold them like the skinless longanisas that we buy in the market. After wrapping and molding the veggie longanisas, we will put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours before we fry them. At this point, you could put it in a sealed plastic bag and store them for future use. After 2 hours in the fridge, it is much solid now and ready for frying. Prepare a hot pan with ample amount of vegetable oil in medium fire. Place your veggie longanisas and wait for them to turn brown and caramelize a bit. Do that for both sides to make sure it is well cooked. This may take like 2 minutes for each side. And now, we're ready for plating. And here is our veggie longganisa, best partnered with fried rice and egg. Of course, you could add a side dish like fried banana for a much healthier breakfast. So there you have it. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please hit the like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you could get updated on our next videos. Till next time, thank you.